Hello and welcome to yet another of my videos. This is about EM Audio DAC4399 October. 4399 is called because, as you can see, there are 4 DACs there, 4399 DACs, the 1, 2, 3, 4. So it appears to be a proper balanced unit with balanced outputs. That's the way we like them. It's very well made, You can see it's obviously a professional company. There's a filter on the input for mains and separate power supplies, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different supplies. And have a look what they've done here. When you turn it on, it nicely displays its name. Like a very nice touch. And you can change the shape of a filter and input, turn off the display altogether, and then you can do the upsampling rate. At the moment it's 192 kilohertz, but you can change it to 96, 48, or bypass upsampling altogether. So this is all nice. Now to the bad things. Well, it only plays one channel. I mean, the other channel is sort of there, barely audible, and there's a good reason for it. So if you look supply to the output, get my meter going, we have a minus 15 volts and plus 15 volts, but for the other channel we have 0 volts and we have 0 volts. So supply of 15 volts to the output and DACs is basically non-existent, and I traced it further back, and it's that transformer that's probably open circuit. We'll replace all of them because these are 150 volts transformers from Japan, so we'll use the 230 ones and it will be converted to non-American, non-Japanese. Other than that, well, finishing touches on it are not great, like you can see this is world clock input and this whole thing is wobbly, and if you touch you can see it's intermittent on coaxial input. Grounding, even that was intermittent before, it was better now, so there's a bit of a grounding problem there, or maybe quality of sockets, who knows. But other than that, it is a extremely nice unit, and the major issue would be finding transformers that will physically fit into those slots. Thank you very much for your time, until we meet again.